At 17, he stood beside his father's grave, looked up at the sky, and said, "God, if you're real, I hate you." His father was his everything, his protector, his mentor, his best friend. Then one accident, and everything went silent. Bills piled up, friends disappeared. The house just felt empty. Every night he asked, why would God take the only person I had? He stopped praying, stopped going to church, and started carrying anger like a heavy backpack. One day, while walking past an orphanage, he heard children laughing. Inside were boys with no fathers. Yet they were smiling. Something broke inside him. He realized he wasn't the only one who had lost someone. Instead of running from God, he walked into that orphanage. He began helping with homework, playing football, and listening to their stories. And slowly, God healed him through the very pain he hated. He thought God had taken his father away. But God was shaping him to become the father those children never had. His pain became his purpose. If this story touched your heart, follow the Beats Breaker for more powerful motivational stories about lives transformed from pain to purpose.